Hi folks and friends on YouTube. Thanks for being here. I'm Still Dreaming is my channel. And in this video, I wanted to show you this thing that I created, I guess you could say. I had been wanting a bird bath to put here in my backyard. I'm trying to kind of create a little bit of a sanctuary prayer garden. So I have it right here, but I'm probably going to end up moving it someplace else. But you know, they're very expensive, and they're really heavy, and most bird baths are bigger than this, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't mind that it's small, but I want to talk about how I put it together. So yesterday was Saturday, today's Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday, and I went to a thrift store, not the Goodwill, another thrift store called Mission Thrift, and hoping to find something like a pillar, which is what I ended up finding. And so there it is there, and the pillar part is quite heavy. It's made out of like cement, so it's heavy. And I don't know about where you're at, but it seems to me like the thrift stores here where I live, a lot of times they say that if there's no price, then there's no sale. And wouldn't you know it, I spotted this right away, and I really liked it, and I wanted it, but it didn't have a price tag on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a true confession. I poked around, and I took a price tag off of another item, and I forget what it was. Oh, it was a vase. It was like an oriental vase, and they had it priced for $8.99. And I thought to myself, you know, I would pay $8.99 for this pillar. So did I take the price tag off the other item and put it on the pillar so that I could buy this? I did do that. And I don't feel guilty, I don't feel ashamed. I did it. And so otherwise they wouldn't have sold it to me, and I would have missed out. There's dice. Anyway, so but the thing is, it was just the pillar part. So then I thought, well, if I could find a glass dish, I could rest, you know, I could sit it on top. So I went around to another part of the store where they had all their glassware, you know, and whatnot, vases and ashtrays and other crystal decor items, candy dishes and whatnot. And I found this. There were actually a couple that I liked, but I decided on this one because I thought it was more in proportion with the pillar base. Okay, so then so that's it. So I'm gonna get a little closer. It's getting dark now, and it's cold, but I wanted to show it to you. Okay, so then last week I went to the Goodwill bins, and I found these red, I don't know, it's like decorative glass, red decorative glass. And so I put those at the bottom, but because the crystal dish part is resting right here, you see, when you pick it up, when you pick this up, there's a bit of a scoop inside. See? So I got a string of lights. Look at there, you can see them. I had these, there they go. Okay, so, but those aren't getting wet. There was just enough of a little scoop inside to fit this little strand of lights, and but they're not getting wet. So, and then to camouflage, you know, to cover up the little battery case, I put these little glass chips. They're not sharp. They're not sharp at all. Anyway, so I put them in the dish like so to kind of cover it up, the string lights, but you still get the light. You still get the light effect of it. You see, and then I put water in it. So that's how it came out. So I just wanted to share that because somebody else could do the same thing. If you want to make a, well, you know, I just got lucky this one time that I went and I found this. I found it, you know, my first go, and I found it. So I kind of got lucky there. And but you know, if you could go to the thrift store and find something similar to this, and then you can put a glass dish on the top, and you can make a mini bird bath, you know, for your front yard or your backyard. And yeah, so I just wanted to show that. Oh my goodness, oh, I'm getting up. Okay, so I'll walk around. It's not very tall. It's only about, gee, I don't even think it's 2 feet high. It might be 1.5 feet. Maybe 1.5 feet, between 1.5 feet and 2 feet. So I'll walk around so you can see how it looks. Isn't that nice? I think it's so nice, and I think it's so pretty too. And like I said, I'm working on a kind of a I want to work on a prayer sanctuary space here in my backyard, and I actually have a pretty large backyard. So I think up against the fence there is where I'm going to put my little prayer garden, my little prayer sanctuary place where I can sit and you know, listen to Catholic hymns and just have some quiet reflection time and pray. All right, you guys, so I guess that's it for now. I'll close over here on my bunny hutch. It's getting dark out here now. There's Dice. And there's Mayo. And Pumper is inside his little cardboard house. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. I didn't forget, I'm still going to make a video about why I'm supporting Robert Kennedy Jr. And I promise the next video I make is going to be about that. All right, good night, you guys. God bless. Bye.